Hello guys, you are watching Tech and Education channel. Today in previous video we have discussed how to use the advanced filter, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to use the if formula. So for that, first I need to discuss what the data has been given over here. You can see the Coca-Cola information has been given sale from 2016 to 2019 and the target is 5 lakh. Okay, so how are we going to use the formula? So I'm going to apply the formula over here. I will show you how to use the if formula. You can see the different products have been given over here from 2016 to 2019, how much sale has been given from this product. You can see the total sales. So what we need to find is that how to find the status over here, whether the Coca-Cola gain the profit from this product or get or suffer a loss from it, as it given a 5 lakh target. So what we're going to do, we will apply the formula now. How we're going to do is equals to if bracket open, and we will select the cell like this one. The total sale should be greater than 5 lakh or 5,000, 500,000, comma, inverted commas. Then you have to put the status which you wanted, profit, then again comma, inverted comma, loss, and then bracket close. This formula you will apply. Okay, remember guys, one thing I want to tell you, that if target is been given that it should be more than 500,000 or more than 500 lakh, 5 lakh, more than 5 lakh, so then we will going to use the greater sign. If they were saying that it should be like 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh, both are accepted, then we will put is equals to sign here. So in both situation you will understand whether you have to apply these equals to or not. Okay, so right now I'm not applying. I'm assuming that it should be more than 5 lakh. So let's see. As I enter, you can see the status shows loss. The reason behind it, you can see the total loss has been made from this product is 224,000. It's less than 5 lakh, so it shows less. Simply now I want to find the total sales status of other products also. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply drag from top to down and it show me the whole status. It's quite simple, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it.